Hello Andy, hope you all are safe and healthy. So bold and varieties of organzas వచ్చేసాయి. Floral organzas, దానిపైన works, beautiful prints. I think I have lot of nice collection of organzas, and what I'm wearing is also nice black and maroon organza. See this? With a nice hand embroidery on this. It's a double tone sari. The sari is so beautiful, guys. All over the sari you have floral print, and on that you have a small sticker work, and the edges, it's all a handmade work, scalloping handmade work. It's a very classy sari. This is how it looks. It's a beautiful organza, satin organza sari this is. So ఇప్పుడు నేను వేసుకున్న దాంట్లో కలర్స్ ఉన్నాయండి. సో లెట్స్ సీ దెమ్. దిస్ ఈస్ అ బ్యూటిఫుల్ బ్లూ organza saree with a nice digital print. All over the saree you have small floral motifs, and on that you have a very small sequin work, and at the edging if you see it's all a cut work, handmade cut work, guys. The saree color is sky blue, and the blouse is a beautiful silk material. This is the blouse. It's a nice organza saree with a satin blue. This is a nice baby pink organza saree with beautiful cut work. Saree is really cool, and this is the blouse. Chanderi silk blouse or with a nice digital print. It's a beautiful burgundy color organza saree, similar to what I wore. Cut work is really beautiful. This is how the pallu is, guys, and this is the blouse. Nice wineish burgundy color. See this nice work, handmade embroidery made with sequins, kardana, chips. Beautiful satin organza saree, and on the flowers if you see there are small chumkis which have been sticked on. Sequins have been sticked on onto the floral motifs. Very pretty saree, guys. Beautiful off-white organza saree with a nice multicolor floral print. All over the saree there is an excellent print and a work running on that. Very nice saree, guys, and the quality of the fabric is also really nice. The blouse is running. So this is how the blouse is, and at the edging of the blouse you have cut work. I forgot to mention in the previous sarees. This is the sleeve edging cut work. For every blouse you have this. It's like this. Nice off-white floral saree. This is a nice beige color organza saree with nice floral motifs, and this is the cut work at the top, and this is at the bottom portion. This is the blouse sleeve. This is the sleeve work. These all are smart sarees, very contemporary in looks, very young in carrying them. Cool, these are very cool, smart sarees. This is a nice grey organza saree, but in this saree the work is different. Earlier we had a scallop work, but in this it's a complete gotapatti work. All over the borders you have gotapatti work, and in the flowers also in between there is a small gotapatti floral embroidery embossing. It's a grey color or an off-whitish grey color saree, and on the blouse you have gotapatti work. See, gotapatti and sequin work. This is the blouse. It's a beautiful organza saree. I'll show you the work in detail. It's a nice gotapatti work on the saree. See, this is what the gota I was talking about. This is all gota, this is dori work, whatever this circumference is being covered, and the sequin is being filled inside, and whatever the edging, half inch, is all a dori work. And in between the flowers, I said no, there is a small flower. This is one gota work, this is one sequin and chip work. You have both also inside, both are the fillers which have been used. And blouses also, let me show you a little clear. This is the blouse. You know, blouse has work in a nice satin piping like this. The sari has been finished with a beautiful satin piping so that the organza withstands the weight of the sari. This is a beautiful mint green organza sari. Look at the digital print which is used on the sari. It's an amazing floral print, guys. I love the print on the sari, and that is a mint green combined with a maroon flower. I really love the combination of the sari. And all over the sari you have a gotapatti work. Beautiful sari this is. And the blouse is chanderi silk with floral print. It's a nice sari, guys. Classy, elegant, sober. If you want, you can team up with this maroon blouse also. Even that looks very nice. See the work in this, guys, very nice and lovely. And this mint green, if you team up with a maroon blouse, even that looks stunning, guys. Because it's a deep burgundy maroon. Manchi color adi. This is a wine color organza sari with a beautiful gotapatti work, and the floral motifs are really cool. The print which has been teamed up on wine with yellow is nice. Very lightweight sari, and the work is really nice. This is the blouse. Excellent satin blouse. Sorry, satin feel blouse, but the silk is chanderi silk. See the work on the sari, beautiful gotapatti work and sequined work. This is a greyish green sari, most of a family of grey mixed with blackish olive green. A kind of grey sari only, I must call this, which has a gotapatti work. I am unable to tell the color correctly, guys, but it's a family of grey color only. This is the blouse. All over the sari you have a gotapatti work. So this is the gotapatti work which is running on the sari. It's a nice grey and a black combination organza sari. The beauty of this sari is wherever the digital printed flowers are there you have multicolored sequins sprinkled on the florals. I'll show you nearby, and the sequence has been sticked on. It's a lovely combination of the sari, guys. Very smart it is. Coming to the blouse, this is the blouse. That's on the chanderi silk, guys. I'll show you the details of the flower. See, this is how the sequence I was talking about, multicolored sequence. This is gold sequence, this is green, this is orange, this is black. So see the beauty of the sequence which is shining. This is how the sequence has been sprinkled on the flowers. It's a nice grey color sari, grey organza sari. This is a nice olive green sari. You can call it a dark version of military green. And this is the blouse. On the blouse also you have sequins sticked on the flowers for this particular sari. This is a nice grey color sari, guys. Grey sari with a beautiful floral motifs on the sari. I love the combination of the flowers on this particular sari, teamed up with a plain nice classy blouse. These are very elegant saris and blouses. This is a nice peach organza saree. ఈ సారీ మీద వచ్చిన వర్క్, ద వర్క్ ఆన్ ద సారీ ఈజ్ అ పిఠాయి వర్క్, విచ్ మీన్స్ అ డోరీ విచ్ ఇస్ స్టిచ్డ్ or any work which is stitched and then you hit with a hammer so that it gets that flat finished shape. I'll come little closer and show you. We call it PT work, we call it pithai work. సుత్తితో కొడతారండి ఈ వర్క్ని జనరల్గా చేసి దాన్ని ఇట్లా హిట్ చేస్తారనమాట, సో దట్ ఇట్లా ఫ్లాట్ ఫినిష్ అవుతుంది. బ్లౌజ్ చూపిస్తాను. దిస్ ఇస్ ద బ్లౌజ్. దిస్ ఈస్ ద వర్క్ ఐ వాజ్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్. చూసారా, డోరీ మొత్తం కుట్టిర్రు, ఫస్ట్ కుట్టి దాన్ని మొత్తం సుత్తితోటి కొట్టిర్రు. సో పిఠాయి వర్క్, కుట్టుడు రెండు దీంట్లోనే ఉన్నాయి. This is a very time taking process, guys, because once you need to stitch, you need to again make it a matte finished layer. So this is how the nice finish of the saree is also. This is a nice pitai work organza saree. Both the sides you see a classy dull gold or dull silver pitai work on the saree. See, the saree is very sober, and on the flowers also you see small PT works. And let me show you the blouse. On the blouse also you have a PT work at the sleeve edgings. This is how it is. So just go with the cap sleeves of 3 inches and then use this for the sleeves. It looks lovely. This is a beautiful maroon color, deep burgundy color organza saree with a floral print, but the print of the flowers is of self and little off white. It's a nice print. In this you can see the PT work, pitai work very clearly, guys. I'll show you. And you see the pallu, like this you have big floral bunches on the pallu, and that's a blouse. This is the pallu. This is how the dori work is. It's beautiful. On this dark color you'll be able to see the dori very clearly. Lovely color, guys, and lovely work also. See the flower on the organza saree, very nice it is. It's a nice a version of green, I must say. It's not olive green, it's not, I think a darker version of mint green, I can admit that. And it has a bunches of cute flowers on the saree with a nice edging of pitai work. These are the colors on the pitai work saree. And this is how the blouse is. The color is very fresh and pleasant. It's a beautiful pink saree. It has a burgundy flowers also, very chinna burgundy flowers. And this is how the blouse is. As I said earlier, this has a pitai work at the corner. This is the pitai work. This is a deep burgundy wine organza saree. Very classy print, and with a nice border, you know, with a dori and everything. I'll show you the border work completely. The feel of the fabric is very nice. And this is how the blouse is. This is a nice olive green organza saree. People who love Sabyasachi as favorite designer, I love Sabyasachi. I really take him as an inspiration in a lot of ways. This is a similar kind of saree he holds. This is the blouse. Very beautifully made sarees these are. Beautiful beige color saree with a traditional zari border. Very sober, elegant saree. Even this saree has complete sequin and thread work, anchor thread work. It has a piping of reddish pink and it has a nice chanderi silk blouse. On the sleeves you have this work. This is the work on the sleeves. It's like this. Chanderi silk it is. Let me show you the blouse. Blouse is also very nice. This is how the pallu is. Pallu is made with zari and 3 big bunches of hand embroidery has come. It's a completely handmade work guys. If you see tassels చూసారా అండి ఎంత ముద్దుగా ఉన్నాయో కార్నర్స్ కి సారీ ఎడ్జింగ్ ఎండింగ్స్ లో చాలా నైస్ గా నీట్ గా ఉందండి. సారీ అనేది చాలా సోబర్ గా ఎలిగెంట్ గా ఉంటుంది. సాటిన్ పెట్టికోట్ వేసుకోండి దీనికి. దిస్ ఇస్ అనదర్ కలర్ మింట్ గ్రీన్. సారీ మొత్తం దగ్గర బంచెస్ ఉన్నాయండి. బ్యూటిఫుల్ హ్యాండ్ మేడ్ వర్క్ ఇదంతా with a zari border, mint green saree. This is one more color in the earlier design. Blouse చూసారా చందేరీలో వచ్చిందండి బ్లౌజ్. దాని మీద స్లీవ్స్ వరకు చిన్న చిన్న బంచెస్ ఇచ్చారండి మోటివ్స్, హ్యాండ్ మేడ్ మోటివ్స్. దీంట్లో ఇంకో కలర్ ఉందండి పీచ్ కలర్, అది కూడా చూద్దాం. చక్కగా ఉంది, ఆర్గాన్జా లైట్ వెయిట్ ఉంది. See this beautiful color, a nice light version of a pink. Beautiful peachish pink this is with a red piping edging and a chanderi blouse piece. Look at the zari borders, both sides equivalent borders. Very classy color guys, and this goes with any skin tone, dark like me and fairer skin tone. I don't need to tell, it obviously suits them. The pallu has excellent work. The blouse is made with a pure chanderi silk and with a zari border running on the sleeves. Color is nice. This is a nice organza saree. The speciality of this saree is it has a complete handmade mirror border. Along with that it has a crochet lace. I'll show you in detail the lace. And on the saree you have beautifully made handmade thread work. Thread bunches are there on the saree with little sequins. I'll show you in detail of that. And this is how the beautifully made pallu. Excellent pallu this is. And the blouse is stunning guys. See the blouse? Oh, I love it man. Chanderi with a lot of hand work. See, it's not chanderi, it is a silk blouse. This is the blouse. Excellent saree. See, this is what the thread work I was talking about. This is all completely handmade guys. యాంకర్ థ్రెడ్, ఇందులో యూజ్ చేసిన థ్రెడ్ని యాంకర్ థ్రెడ్ అంటారండి. యాంకర్ థ్రెడ్ తోటి ఇలాంటి కుట్లేస్తారు. దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్ ముడి కుట్టు. సీక్వెన్స్ చూసారా ఎంత బాగుందో. ఇది ఒక బంచ్ అండ్ పెద్ద బంచ్ వచ్చాక ఇలా వచ్చిందండి. ఇది పెద్ద బంచ్. ఇది చాలా టైం టేకింగ్ ప్రాసెస్ అండి సారీ మీద వేయటానికి. ఈ చిన్న ఫ్లవర్ చూసారా ఎంత క్యూట్ ఉందో. అసలు ఈ సారీ మొత్తంలో ఫిదా అవ్వాల్సిన పోర్షన్ అంటే పళ్ళు అండి. క్రేజీ ఉంది అసలు ఈ వర్క్ చూడండి. ఎక్సలెంట్, అసలు దిస్ వర్క్ ఈజ్ ఎక్సలెంట్ అండి. అసలు ఒక వర్క్మెన్షిప్ అంటే ఏంటో ఇందులోనే తెలుస్తుంది. అసలు ఆ అందం చూసారా, అన్ని కలర్స్ మిక్స్ చేసి కుట్టడము, యాంకర్ థ్రెడ్స్ వాడడము, షేడింగ్ వాడడము, అసలు ఎక్సలెంట్ అండి. అసలు ఈ బ్యూటిఫుల్ వర్క్. అండ్ ప్రతి ఫ్లవర్కి స్టెమ్ చూసారా ఎంత బాగా వేశారు. ఐఎమ్ బిగ్ ఫ్యాన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ వర్క్ అండి. అండ్ లుక్ ఎట్ ద మిర్రర్ వర్క్ ఆల్సో. ద మిర్రర్ వర్క్ ఈజ్ రియలీ బ్యూటిఫుల్. See, this is the silk fabric of the blouse I was talking about. And see the beauty of the sleeves. Lovely. You have to get it done as a 3/4 sleeves or short sleeves, but the work which is given is for 3/4 sleeves. See, this is a 3/4 sleeve blouse. There is lot of handmade work on the sari. This is the back of the blouse. That's where the bunches are distributed, and this is again one more sleeve. Like this we have one more color also. Let me show you that. See, this is the nude color, one more color in the yellow sari. How beautiful it is, guys. A classy nude sari. This is a very classy sari. The blouse in this is above elbow, sorry, below elbow, 3/4 sleeves, and you have work on the blouse at the back. See the pallu, the crochet work completely, and the blouse is given on a crepe silk. This color goes with any skin tone, dark, fair, whatever, any skin tone. This suits very pleasantly. See the blouse డీటెయిలింగ్ చూసారా, మిర్రర్ వర్క్ ఎడ్జింగ్ ఇచ్చాడు ఎండింగ్స్లో. బ్యూటిఫుల్ వర్క్. మా ఇంట్లో మా పనమ్మాయి కిచెన్ సౌండ్లో బీభత్సంగా చేస్తుంది, ప్లీజ్ క్షమించండి నన్ను. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద బ్యూటిఫుల్ బంచ్ ఆఫ్ వర్క్. అండ్ ఈ సారీలో ఒక చిక్కల బ్లెండింగ్ చూసారా, మెహందీ గ్రీన్తో కాడలన్నీ బ్రౌన్లో, ఎంత మంచిగా ఉందో అసలు ఈ వర్క్. అప్పట్లో మనం స్వెటర్స్ మీద వేసుకునేటోళ్ళం, గుర్తుందా అండి? ఇట్లాంటి వర్క్ చిన్న చిన్న జస్ట్ స్వెటర్ ఎడ్జింగ్లో ఉంటుంది ఇట్లాంటి వర్క్. దిస్ ఈస్ హౌ ద వర్క్ ఈజ్ ఆన్ ద పల్లు ఎడ్జింగ్. బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఇట్ ఈస్. మిర్రర్ వర్క్ కూడా చూసారా ఎంత బాగుందో అసలు. ఐ లవ్ దిస్ వర్క్. అంటే మీరు కూడా చూస్తే మీరు కూడా యూ విల్ డెఫినెట్లీ ఫాల్ ఇన్ లవ్ విత్ దిస్ వర్క్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ద ట్రెమెండస్ అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ హార్డ్ వర్క్ అండ్ హ్యాండ్ వర్క్ విచ్ హ్యాస్ బీన్ ఇన్ టు ద sari. You know, these kind of works make us feel that we are proud and rich with our culture and heritage. This is the work which has been carried from years and years, hundreds of years. So many techniques are used in this, guys. See, this is called as mudikuttu. This work technique is mudikuttu. This is also mudikuttu. This is addam. And see this chamki kuttu. చాలా టెక్నిక్స్ ఉన్నాయి అసలు ఈ యొక్క వర్క్లో. క్లాసీ సారీస్ అండి ఇవన్నీ, హడావిడి లేకుండా హుందాగా రిచ్గా ఉంటాయి. షైనింగ్స్ అవన్నీ ఉండవు, చాలా డిగ్నిఫైడ్గా ఒక లెవెల్ క్లాసీగా ఉంటాయి ఇవన్నీ.